Among the thousands killed on 9/11, John Ogonowski, pilot of American Airlines Flight 11, the first plane to plow into the World Trade Center.
If John was here today with us, he would tell us to be strong, because he would be strong.
John Ogonowski's death helped propel his brother Jim into a race for Congress.
It is part of my history. It's part of the history of this country. Nice to see you. I need your help.
Jim Ogonowski, a Republican, is often asked about his brother as he campaigns, but he rejects the notion he is exploiting his brother's memory. So does his brother's widow.
Wouldn't it be odder to ignore it? I don't think that you can ignore who Jim is and who his brother was and how that impacted all of us.
Jim Ogonowski manages his brother's hay farm when he isn't stumping for votes and talking, not surprisingly, about weaknesses in aviation security, particularly air cargo screening.
The global war on terror is not a bumper sticker slogan. It is real.
Since his recent retirement from the Air Force, he is also speaking out on Iraq. Going in was a mistake, he says, but he opposes deadlines for withdrawal. Massachusetts' 5th Congressional District, a mix of old immigrants and new, has sent Democrats to Congress for decades. And analysts are skeptical Ogonowski's family story will be enough to elect him.
This district is blue as blue can be. A Republican has virtually no chance at all unless there's a perfect alignment of the stars.
Ogonowski is considered a shoo-in for the